Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm John and today we're going to be building from this 3-in-1 Lego set. We'll be starting with the fish, and so let's get into it and let's build something. Let's start sorting these. We also got the book for our lovely little fishy. So here we're looking for this guy. A yellow tiny small brick. It's more orangish. Right on the edge. Looks like the light blue one goes on there. Looks like we need another little orange one. And a wonky blue. This way. Like that. We need a red and a brown. Looks like the brown goes on first, and then the red. And we're also missing definitely not using the right terms, but that's fine. And we got a man dead. I'm looking for a 4 yellow. That's not a black. And then the wonky blue. He's underneath another guy. There we go. Moving on over here, we have a regular 6-piece of light blue. Moving on, we need 2 kind of single blocks, but it looks like they connect to the sides. So we want to go that way. Actually, look at them on the wrong side. That is important, I'm sure. The yellow goes right behind these guys. 2 yellows with the fluff in them. That goes long ways. Looks like we're looking for a green flat piece. I'm not seeing that. That's definitely not green, and I think that's the right piece. And it looks like it goes on this. More like turquoise. You can see that. That's definitely not the same color. But what it is, gotta guess sometimes. Now we're looking for a red and a brown circle. That's on the plus yellow, we're looking for another white brick one like this guy. It stacks onto the white, and a white flat brick. Another white square guy. Looks like he's gonna go on this side now. And a orange single brick. And a green brick. And this is gonna point away from this green square. The slant is. And the yellow brick goes on top. Now we're gonna get some blue curve guys. These guys right here, another one. And they're gonna curve around the ramp. We're looking at blue. It's like 2 blocks, but it has one on top. And 2 of those. I almost confused that one for a blue. And they're both gonna stick onto this. Looks like we're looking for one of those. And a flat blue. It's gonna go right on those. Now we're looking for 2 little, I don't even know what they call those, rounded. Oh my gosh. A little too rough on the fish, I guess. Just put it back to where it was and pretend nothing happened. Alright, we got that on. It's wanting to fall apart. Hopefully it gets put together a little bit better. Looks like we're on the side now, and we're gonna grab this and one of these big guys. And it's gonna go over the white and the orange. We got a wonky one and a green one, so maybe this one. And a wonky one. Pretty wonky. That's probably it right there. And that will go over this blue and onto the white. And this one will hug right against it. Looks like we're going for a blue circle now, and that looks like it hugs against this angle piece. That looks like one of these small ones. An eye. So let's make the fish looking forward. Like this. Maybe that's supposed to be like a gill. 4 little round pieces. And that makes a circle for his cheek, I guess, maybe some ducks. Starting to look like a fish. And it looks like we're flipping it over. And we're going to just copy that side. I think we had a green piece. Circle. That should go right there. We need an eye. Make sure you're looking forward. See if we did good. Oh yes, the circled cheeks. Looks like we're going to start on another part of it. And then we're looking for a big piece. This piece, yellow, double click. Perhaps slope pieces. Bunch of yellow and green. At the bottom of the bridge. At the bottom of that. I'm wondering if you can eventually move them a little bit or something. At the bottom of the fish though. We're gonna get some black double pieces. And it looks like, nope, that's not the right piece. That piece needs to be a flat. Just like that. There it goes. And then it shows it being on the top piece, so we'll go ahead and make both of them. Fish is upside down, belly up, not good for a fish. It looks like it goes like this. Whoa. Like that, and like this. That looks pretty cute. They move a bit, so be gentle. Looks like we're building another thing for it. We have that. A smaller a white one dot but 2 block long. That's interesting. And the 2 block blue. And we're gonna do this one. And the ramp will go up the light blue and the dark blue. And this is gonna be its head. Sometimes you just gotta laugh at stuff. Check that out. We did this one already. This is the other fin. Now it looks like we're building the tail. Nice. So we'll take an orange block. 2 of these. Yellow cap. And 2 of these square. Whatever they may be called. Tell me down in the comment the actual name of these if you know. This actually goes like this. And that's its little tail. Look at that. That's pretty cute. Looks like a little bluegill or a blue tang, I think that's what it's called from Finding Dory or Nemo. Oh, now we're going to be working on its little home. It's going to be pretty cool. So with that, a long orange piece. Pink, a green one. Looks like they'll go right here on this blue one. Back to back. Little flowers. Decoration. There's about 2 spots right there. And yellow. And 2 long. Looks like they're going to go in the middle. And right between the flowers, look at that. I knew there was a reason. This little crab looking thing goes right in the middle of the pink. These pieces should go between the nubbins. Let's see here. There's a little piece that goes between there. It's not that. It's this. This is actually a bigger one. And I guess that goes like that. That's interesting. And little pins, look at things. We need 3 of those. And they go right on to these rings. Oh, it looks like we need another one of those. Plus 2 white with round 2 blocks. Pink flowers. 4 pink flowers. These are actually leaves. There we go. Looks like the white blocks go in the middle of this. And then the flowers go on these three. Make sure they're up. There's a little mark on the leaves. Green peas, a blue pea, and a little off-white. Goes direct in the middle. And that goes on this right here. The blue piece lines up with pink crown on the bottom. We're gonna take another one and run it with this one. Brown and the ramp. The ramp will start 2 from the flowers or the leaves. Let's go right to the ramp. Looks like we need a yellow, off yellow. We need a weird guy like this. Looks like this yellow will go on top of here. This will go here. And it looks like the fish goes on there. Look at that. Nice. The fish can move. That's pretty cool. It's gonna need some food. I don't know if you guys can. There we go. Looks like we're gonna build a little bit more. This time it's gonna be the coral. We need a black one piece. That can go anywhere. We're looking for a white T with that. Then we're gonna get this big green coral piece. That's what it's called. And then we're gonna sandwich with another green round piece. Sorry, little fish. And then we're gonna get the other ones. We're gonna start expanding this and get these little branchy things for sticks. Looks like we're gonna put 2 more together. Or both of them. That looks like it will go right here in front and center. There we go. And that's the fish. Pretty cool. It was my least favorite, but I don't know. I kind of like him now. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see me build next. I think after this one, we're going to start the frog. So stay tuned. I got to take this guy apart. But I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.